Are you getting the Savemedia.dll error after the localized browser utility manifest update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. As we prepare to resolve Savemedia module, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Savemedia module, frequently bundled with localized browser extensions or video downloader tools to manage the background streaming and local storage handshakes for media assets. It handles the data pipe between the web engine and the disk. If missing, the download button in these tools will do nothing or report a buffer initialization failure. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since Savemedia.dll is an embedded part of the localized browser utility manifest architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Savemedia module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Savemedia.dll into directories where it does not natively belong. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If Savemedia module is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. If your workstation is back online and Savemedia module is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.